Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video, we will learn 15 colors name in English. So let's start. First one is red. R E D red. Second one is blue. B L U E blue. Third one is green. G R E E N green. Fourth one is yellow. Y E L L O W yellow. Fifth is orange. O R A N G E orange. Sixth is black. B L A C K black. Seventh is white. W H I T E white. Eighth is brown. B R O W N brown. Nine is purple. P U R P L E purple. 10th is pink. P I N K pink. 11 is gray. G R E Y gray. 12th is maroon. M A R O O N maroon. 13 is golden. G O L D E N golden. 14 is silver. S I L V E R silver. And the last one is sky blue. S K Y sky B L U E blue.